So I'm going to show you how to do custom thumbnails on a shorts video. It's going to be a quick and easy step-by-step tutorial, but there is going to be a catch, and well, there's also a trick to how do you do that. Stick around until the end of the video so that I can show you all of that stuff, but first let me show you how you physically change the thumbnail for a shorts video. To start, you're going to open up the YouTube app, and you're going to hit the little plus sign at the bottom of the screen and make a shorts video. You're going to want to do so using a cat, because cats make the best shorts videos. After you've recorded your video, hit the next button here, and you're going to get to edit all of the options for your shorts video. Top left corner, you have the option to edit the thumbnail for that. So you click on that right there, and then you're going to get to pick a screen grab for the thumbnail on the short shelf. How adorable is this? Now you have the screen grab that you're going to use for your normal custom thumbnail on a shorts video. So that is the normal way that you go about putting a custom thumbnail on a shorts video. However, there is a trick. If you have the TubeBuddy software installed on your computer, then you have the option of adding a custom thumbnail just like any other video, and it's going to present in that 9:16 horizontal format. Let me show you how to do that. In your YouTube Studio dashboard, go to your Content tab, and then you're going to select Shorts, and you are going to click on the details for your Shorts video so that you can go to the video details page for that video, just like you would any other video. Now, while you're in here, if you have the TubeBuddy software, click on this menu below the thumbnail, and there's going to be an option to use the Thumbnail Generator. Open this up. You're going to have an option to download a picture. Pick one of a gorgeous cat, something amazing. Once you have a gorgeous cat image, hit Publish, hit OK on this. You'll be given the opportunity to refresh the image, and then you'll be able to see your custom thumbnail on your YouTube video detail page right here. Now, there is a catch when it comes to custom thumbnails on shorts videos. They're not going to show up all over the place. YouTube search, YouTube browse, YouTube home feed, the thumbnail is just not going to show up on those. The thumbnail will show up in your subscriptions feed. It's going to show up in your YouTube Studio dashboard, which is kind of nice so that you're not digging through a bunch of crappy looking thumbnails when you're looking at your own videos. Most importantly, the custom thumbnail is going to show up on external sources, community forum posts, or in a blog. Also, a super important traffic source for your video, regardless of whether or not it's long form or short form, Google search and Yahoo search. The custom thumbnail is going to show up in Google search. So if you are targeting that sort of traffic, Google is the #1 search engine in the world, and that is exactly where you are going to want that custom thumbnail to be shown. If you enjoyed this video, found any of it at all helpful, please consider subscribing. I'm going to be making a ton of content about this sort of thing, and I am more than happy to help you with anything that you have. Leave a comment, and I'm happy to give you any answers on there as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.